Here we go with more playtime. Oh.
Playing with herself.
She's like
Trying to bite your own legs?
Yeah.
Athos keeps picking the fight and he keeps losing. What happened to those plastic cups that we had out
Oh,
here?
that's right.
Yeah.
What's that? What's that? Go back in here.
You tip them on their sides and they can kick them around. Experiment. Here you go.
Who's gonna stick their head in?
Oh, there's a pea over there, Athos.
Oh,
Good boy. Good boy, get that out of the... Oh.
He went away from the crowd.
Good boy, that's slippery. That's slippery. Come on this way.
This one just wants it.
Oh! Oh! This one got the ball.
I can't believe Aussie got the ball.
Hi, are you
Oh,
kids
he's got the
fighting
ball
for
in
me?
between his legs.
I think Piccolina's hungry there. I think we might need to start making some more puppy gruel too.
Do you want to visit with the head? Are you sure you don't want to visit with the head?
Yeah,
I'm going to make some puppy gruel. Good. Rossi ate the other one. The puppies went away, she ate it all.
this one's hungry.
Okay, let's get them sorted for feeding, I think.
Okay, let's go in here.